Sugar Shack Donuts is the donut
for you and me.
What they talking about?
I've been waiting for it like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
Yo, it's your boy Tyrell.
Your man's rolling.
And we're actually about to go to this donut spot. They got some vegan donuts. It's about 45 minutes away. It's kind of far, so shout out to Roland. You know what I'm saying? I actually drove to the area last night. I went to this other little restaurant. Maybe I'll show you guys the restaurant I went to someday. But yeah, we're about to go out there. I'm gonna be kind of vlogging it. And we're gonna be recording a Q&A today, so you guys be looking out for that. So we made it. About to go in the Sugar Shack. That's the name of it. Stay tuned. Oh, Sugar Shack.
Nice and fat.
Nice and fat.
Smells good.
Smells good. Sugar Shack. I'll show you guys. Sugar Shack. Vegan donuts, man. Go ahead and show them. These are like what? Cinnamon? Cinnamon sugar.
French toast.
Chocolate. Samoa. Cinnamon roll. We got another chocolate one hiding back there. I've actually been here before. Well, I haven't been here, but I've had these donuts before. I'm just gonna get a taste test of some of these. This one's huge. You gotta go for the big one first, man. Cinnamon roll. Now, not all their donuts are vegan, so you gotta just look and kind of ask them. You know what I'm saying? My mouth is watering. Cinnamon. That's good, man. That's real good. Tastes like a regular donut, man. 10 out of 10, guys. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna let Roland try it. I'm gonna let y'all know what he thinks.
Here's the French toast one. I give this one 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
It doesn't taste like French toast, but
What it tastes like?
good.
Man? What it tastes like?
I don't know. Just like a frosted donut.
Can you taste the difference in like that and like a regular donut?
Oh yeah.
You can taste the difference? What's the difference?
It doesn't taste much like a cake. You know how a real donut has that kind of taste.
Okay. But it's still good though.
It's delicious.
What you drinking on, man?
Got me some dark roast coffee.
This chocolate one here, amazing. It looks like a regular donut, and it tastes like one too. The chocolate tastes amazing. Me and Roland got a lot. We want to go back and record a Q&A, so we just stopped by and made this vlog real quick. I don't know, man, what you think?
10 out of 10.
One thing about this place, guys, is really expensive. For a dozen of donuts, it was like $30, man, which is a lot. You know what I'm saying? But they taste really good. And I'm doing this for y'all, man. Y'all my people. You know what I'm saying? We're doing this for y'all. So we're gonna eat about 3 donuts. Then we're gonna head back, record the Q&A. Y'all will see that in a separate video. So y'all stay tuned. Even Obama eats Sugar Shack donuts, guys.
Sugar Shack Donuts is the donut
For you and me. All right, guys, me and Roland just got done at Sugar Shack. Posted up near the Sugar Shack truck. You know what I'm saying? Hold up. Hey. Yeah. It's a really quick vlog for you guys. We're really picking this up so we can kind of set up for the Q&A. Sugar Shack is really good, but it can be expensive. It tastes amazing. The prices just need to be a little bit lower. Maybe because it's the area, I'm not really sure. But like I said, it was about $30. Me and Roland just split the cost. For this week's positive shout-out comment, it goes to my boy Sam. My boy Samuel says, "You've came a long way, bro. What an accomplishment, beyond proud of you." My boy Sam, thank you for that positive comment. If you guys want to win a positive comment shout out, all you got to do is comment down below. So thank you. Also guys, I did not forget about you. The giveaway winners are coming soon, probably this Wednesday or this Thursday. Be looking out for that. I did not forget about y'all. With all that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button.
Better do it.
You better do it. And I will see y'all next video.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?